Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert TRC20 or TRX to USDT in MEXC in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC app, and if you already have an account on it, so you need to simply provide your login credentials and you need to log in into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, I would provide the link of it down in the description, and if you create your account with that link, you can get up to 8,000 plus USDT as sign-up bonus. Now, once you are on this page, simply tap on the more option and select the convert option. Then you will be landed on this conversion page. Now over here, you need to tap on this drop down menu in the bottom, and here in the search bar, you need to search for Tron or TRX. Now once you are able to find TRX, you need to simply select it, and after selecting it, you need to tap on the drop down menu under 2, and over here you need to select USDT. Now once you have done that, it should look something like this. Here you need to enter the amount of TRX that you want to convert into USDT, then it will show you the equivalent amount. After that, it will activate the preview conversion option, so you need to simply tap on that and you need to confirm your conversion, and for this you don't need to require any fees. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.